Factoring trinomials of the form x squared plus bx plus c. Lesson 7.2. Objectives. Objective 1. To factor a trinomial of the form x squared plus bx plus c. Objective 2. To factor out the greatest common factor and then factor a trinomial of the form x squared plus bx plus c. It is well to note that the coefficient of the squared variable is 1. Recall that factoring means to write as a product, and that factoring and multiplying are reverse procedures. Using the FOIL method of multiplying binomials, we have the following. A trinomial is the product of two factors. Example 1. X squared plus 5x plus 6. Here, I took my double bubble and I brought down both my x's because in the trinomial there's x squared. Then, the next step is to take two factors of 6, and I chose 3 and 2. This left me off with the factored form of the trinomial, and you can use the FOIL method to check this. To do the FOIL method, do x times x, which is x squared, 2x, or 2 times x equals 2, which equals 2x, and 3 times x, which equals 3x, and 2 times 3, which equals 6. This leaves you with x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. Then you combine like terms, which leaves you with x plus 5x plus 6, which is the original trinomial. Notice that the product of the first term of the binomials is x times x equals 2x. The first term of the trinomial, also the product of the last two terms of the binomial is 2 times 3 equals 6. The third term of the trinomial. The sum of these same terms is 2 plus 3 equals 5. The coefficient of the middle term, x, of the trinomial. Now, example 2. X squared plus 5x minus 24. You do your double bubble, you bring down both your x's, and you bring down your signs, which are plus minus. Then you take two factors of 24, which are 8 and 3. You can now do 8x minus 3x, which is equal to the middle term 5x. Here we can see that the factored form of x squared plus 5x minus 24 is x plus 8 and x minus 3. Example 3. Y squared minus 4y minus 5. Here, I took my double bubble, and I brought down both my y's, I brought down my signs, and then I took two factors of the third number of the trinomial, 5. The factors I picked were 5 and 1. This leaves you with the factors y minus 5 and y plus 1. To check this, you can do negative 5y plus 1y equals 4y, which is the middle term. Here you can see that the factored form of y squared minus 4y minus 5 is y minus 5 and y minus 1.